Do you have the hiccups? Uh-oh. Yeah. Too many hiccups. My. Let's see if we can get rid of those. Yeah. Let's do it.